Taxi cab, shorty straight sucking on my dick, girl.